Hi everyone, in today's video I'll be making this cute bear keychain from coal porcelain clay. I first begin by making the bear. I roll out a conical shape for the body and stick a smaller ball for the head. I take two smaller balls for the ears and indent them before sticking them on. I take a lighter shade of brown and stick it on for the mouth and center of the body. I take a snake of black clay and cut out bits for the eyes, nose and mouth. I also take the same shade of brown for the eyebrows. For the hands and legs, I cut out equal sausages and stick them onto the body. I then make the frying pan by cutting out a small circle from a flattened black piece of clay. I also cut out strips for the side and the handle. I then make the egg by taking a white piece of clay, flattening it a bit and then using a dotting tool to add details to the edges. I then indent the center and add in a yellow piece of clay for the yolk. I then stick all this in place. I also add cheeks for the bear. After the clay dries, I glaze the whole thing and add in the keyring. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more such clay content.